welcome you all to my Hoogar Social Academy. Let us discuss on the physical division of the Karnataka. Today we are going to discuss on the second physical division of the Karnataka called as the Malnad. Right? So here let us go and study related to the Malnad. The place called as a Malnad, which starts from the end of the coastal plain, which we studied in our last session. Start of the end of the coastal plain is the start of the Malnad area, and it reaches up to the start of the Maidan region. So we are going to talk in between the coastal plain and in between the Maidan region. So here we are on the second layer of which one? Second layer of the Physiographic Division of the Karnataka called as Malnad. So here, dear, as the Western Ghats flows over here, Western Ghats flows over here, we see that the Malnad area, where steep terrace slopes, they are in the western side, and towards the eastern side, it's a gentle slope. It is there. There is a steep terrace. When we say steep terrace, it will be in this form. Okay, continuous steep terrace, and gentle slope when we say not too much of slope. So there is a steep terrace slope in the western part and gentle slope towards the eastern side. Now when we talk about the length, if it is been out, they are 650 km in the length. From here to up to here they passes. So they are 650 km in the length, and in the width part, expand part, they are 50 to 76 km in the width. And the height above the sea level, which we see the places, the height above the sea level, they are 900 to 1500 meters above the sea level we see. In this area, we see many number of high mountains are there. Among those high mountains, the highest peak in the Karnataka is Mulnagiri peak. Next to it, Kudremukha is there, Kaladkari is there, Rudragiri. These are number of different forms of peaks are being there. Moreover, Sharavati river helps in the formation of the falls called as a Jog Falls, which is the highest waterfall in the country called as India. As many mountains are mountains, they are continuous, which has made what it is that to connect from one place to the another places, there are number of passes are being made. We call them as a mountain passes. So we are having four mountain passes are being there, which is called known as a Charmadi Ghat, the mountain pass from Mangalore to Chikmagalur. Now here we can see that in the map, as the blue mark point which has been done, it is a place name. Okay, again blue mark is, and this black color mark which you are seeing, which is made to show to connect between the two places. So here Charmadi Ghat between the Mangalore and Chikmagalur. So here Chikmagalur is there, here is the Mangalore. So this is a connection between. So this ghat is called as a Charmadi Ghat. Then Shirdi Ghat is been there between the H refers to Hassan, S refers to Shimoga, M refers to Mangalore. Here you can see Mangalore. Okay, Hassan is been there. Sorry, Sakleshpur. Sakleshpur is the place. H for Hassan, S for Sakleshpur, M for the Mangalore. So here you can say second point it is written. So Hassan, Sakleshpur, Mangalore. This is the Ghat section which is being referred as a Shirdi Ghat. Then it's the third one is Agumbe Ghat, Shimoga plus Udupi it is a. Now here it is Shimoga, and downside here Udupi. So as I said, you blue mark refers to the place, and the black mark just for the making to understand easily we have did it. So from Shimoga to here Udupi, this is called as a Agumbe Ghat. Then Holikal Ghat, it is Shimoga to Kundapur. So here the Kundapur lies, and this is the Shimoga. So Shimoga to Kundapur. So these four are nothing but called as a mountain passes, which helps in the connectivity between the two places. So how many are they? Charmani Ghat, Shirdi Ghat, Agumbe Ghat, as well as the Holikal Ghat. This place it will help you easy to understand about. Moreover, apart from this, here we see many number of waterfalls. In the first part we said Jog Falls by the Sharavati river, which is called as highest waterfall of India. Apart from that, many more waterfalls are there. Unchali Falls, Magod Falls, Gokak Falls, Shivan Sundaram is there, and Abbe Falls is there. Moreover, Chikmagalur, where the highest amount of coffee is being produced, so it is called as a land of coffee. Then Kodagu, right, which is called known as the Kashmir of Karnataka. Oranges are also abundantly it is produced over here. So Kodagu also known as the land of oranges. And this second part of physiography division of the Karnataka called as the Malnad area is having 4 districts called as Hassan, Kodagu, Shimoga and Chikmagalur. These are the 4 districts which lies in the where in the Malnad area. So here what type of character it is? There are steep terrace slopes are there towards the western side and gentle slopes towards the eastern with the length of stretch of 650 km with the width of 900 to 1500 with the highest peak called as a Mullyanagiri peak and the highest waterfall of India, what we say, Jog Falls with the 4 mountain passes. First is called as a Charmadi Ghat which connects between the Mangalore and Chikmagalur. The Shirdi Ghat which connects between the Hassan, Sakleshpur as well as the Mangalore. It's the Agumbi Ghat which connects the Shimoga as well as the Udupi and Hulikal Ghat, Shimoga as well as the Kundapur. With this, many more waterfalls are there like Unchali, Magod, Gokak, Shivan Samudram and Abbe Falls. The land of coffee called as Chikmagalur, Kashmir of Karnataka, Kodagu and the land of oranges called as a Kodagu with the 4 districts in the Malnad region, Hassan, Kodagu, Shimoga and Chikmagalur. This is all related to the second layer of the physiographic division of the state called as Karnataka. In my next session, I will come to with the third layer of the physical division of Karnataka called as Maidan region. And at last, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.